day. You're welcome to my channel. Bellevue. Now, if you haven't subscribed to this channel, please subscribe and click on the notification bell. Now, today we are going to be talking about how tribal mark came to Yoruba land, how it's originated. Tribal mark originated from Oyo Kingdom and from ALAGA and Yorùbá. Do you know that tribal marks, you fight lion? Tribal marks it was initially a punishment. Okay, today we are going to tell you everything on this channel. Just stay tuned. Tribal mark came from Oyo land. Now, during the regime of ALAGA and Yorùbá. Now, who is ALAGA and Yorùbá? We all know the deity Shango. Now, Shango was once a king in Oyo Kingdom. Now, Shango is the third reigning king. Unfortunately for ALAGA and Yorùbá, his mother died when he was still a little child, so he did not know the name of his mother. So after he became the king of Oyo land, he wanted to make a sacrifice, a remembrance in respect of his mom's soul, his mother's soul. So he sent his servants, his warriors to Takpa Kingdom to ask about the name of. When they got to Takpa Kingdom, they were welcomed, they were entertained, they were given a lot of food to eat and a lot of palm wine to drink. They drank and drank and drank to the extent that they got drunk and they forgot the name they were told. So when they got to Oyo Kingdom, ALAGA and Yorùbá was very happy to see them back. So he asked them, "What's my mother's name? What is my mother's name?" They were just speaking. They did not remember anything because they had a lot to drink the other day. So ALAGA and Yorùbá got furious, got angry, he got so very angry. So he did not want to kill them. So he said he wanted something that they would always remember in their life. So he sentenced them to face cutting. They were asked to they punished them by using knife on them, on their faces. So it can leave a mark, a scar on their face. So as weeks goes by, months, that scar, guess what? The scar turns to beauty. The scar turns to beauty. In Yoruba land, there's an adage that says, "Tita riro lankola, tita riro lankola, toba jinoton adewa." That means, in the process of making a tribal mark, there is always an excruciating pain attached to it. But after making the tribal marks, it's turned to beauty and something of pride in the community. Now, as people were admiring these warriors, the news got to ALAGA and Yorùbá, and ALAGA and Yorùbá was furious again. How can I punish you, these people? And it returns to something of admiration, and it returns to something of beauty. So he ordered that nobody should make mark on their face except the royals, the children of the royal family, the princes and the princesses. So that would be a separation, a sort of demarcation between the children of the elites and children of ordinary people. So he also wanted to make the mark on his face, but he was thinking about the pain. He was afraid of the pain. So he said, "Please make one on my hand. If I can endure the pain, then you go ahead, make the mark on my face. But guess what? Alaafin Shango could not hold the pain. The pain was too much for him, so he said, "Oh, leave me." Because there's an adage in Yoruba land that says, "Adagba kola, siso niso." It means if you are holding of age before you decide to make a tribal mark, it will have complication. That means the mark will give you problem. It will have complication if you are of age. So tribal mark in Yoruba land, they give children those tribal mark from birth as a mark of identification. Now, tribal mark practice travel from the Oyo Kingdom to Ibadan, to Osun, to Oshogbo, to Ekiti, Ondo. That was how tribal mark spread all over the Yoruba kingdom. So up till now, there are some tribal marks that only the elites, only the royals can have on their mark. No matter how much money you can't have that type of mark except you are from you have a royal blood in you. Till now in Oyo Kingdom, so we have different type of mark, tribal marks now. Because in those days, it was only tribal marks was only a thing of the elites, a thing of pride. They will say olówó kola. That means it's only the rich that can afford to pay the person that will scar their face. But I know today the practice is gradually going into extinction, because if it's not going to extinction, I would have one on my face, and I know you too. You wouldn't like to have it on your children's face. So, but we would like to know the origin. That's why I'm bringing it back. So, see you next time. Next time, we'll be bringing you borrowed language in Yoruba language. Those words that are not originally from Yoruba language but are borrowed and is now part of Yoruba language. Thank you.